Hi students, I'm Astra, your guide to the world of robotics. Welcome to the Introduction to Robotics. Today, we'll explore what robots are, how they help us, and where they're used. Let's dive in. Let's start by watching some amazing robots in action. This is a humanoid robot designed to look and act like humans. Here's an assembly robot used in factories to build products efficiently. This is a robot vacuum cleaner, which cleans your home automatically. And this is a drone, a flying robot used for photography and deliveries. So, what exactly is robotics? Robotics is the science and technology of designing and using robot smart machines that help us in our daily lives. It combines science, math, and technology to create these amazing machines. Robots can perform tasks on their own or with some guidance from humans. Now, let's see some real-world robots in action. Here's a surgical robot assisting doctors in performing precise surgeries. Next, we see the Mars rover, a robot exploring Mars and gathering data for scientists. Robots are used everywhere today. Let's see how they're shaping our world. This is a robotic arm in a car factory, assembling vehicles with incredible accuracy. And finally, a robot in agriculture, helping farmers plant, water, and harvest crops efficiently. Robots have a fascinating history. In 1495, Leonardo da Vinci designed one of the first humanoid machine concepts. In the 1960s, the first industrial robot transformed manufacturing. Today, robots powered by AI can learn, adapt, and even think. At home, robots like vacuum cleaners save time by doing chores for us. In space, robots like the Mars rover explore planets and gather information. In healthcare, surgical robots assist in life-saving operations. For entertainment, robots amaze us with dances and flips, and we even see robots in movies like WALL-E. Now, let's see how robots are used in real life. From cleaning our homes to exploring space, healthcare, and entertainment, watch these robots in action. This is a vacuum cleaner robot. It helps clean floors automatically, making cleaning easy and hassle-free. Isn't that smart? Here's the Mars rover, a robot exploring Mars to help us learn about the planet. Robots are amazing, even in space. This is a surgical robot, helping doctors perform precise surgeries and save lives. Robots are truly life-changing. Look at the Atlas robot dancing. It's a humanoid robot that shows how advanced robots can move just like us. Incredible, right? Here's WALL-E, a robot from a movie that sparks our imagination. Watch how this robot goes on exciting adventures. While WALL-E is fictional, it shows us the potential for robots to do incredible things in the future. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how robots work. We'll explore what makes robots smart and learn about the parts that bring them to life. Get ready to discover how you can start building your own robot. See you soon!